yeah, I was going to translate the post that I initially made in my native language. I made a TikTok post protesting the separation from my son. And thank you to those of you who signed my petition for the reunion. And that sound became viral on TikTok, and people were using it for erotic activities, and others were using the voice to sell genital merchandise without my permission. And so the story is much broader than I'm presenting here, but it ended up in court. And Instagram and TikTok lawyers were trying to get me thrown out of court. But I was happy in that post because the Court of Appeals allowed me to tell my story. And this is fascinating. It's really irking lawyers from both parties, I think, because they've been saying mean stuff to me in court. But anyway, we'll see what happens. I hope you're having a good Saturday.